Have you ever seen a weird set of number like 192.168.101.10? And you probably be wondering that what does this even mean? That's actually your IP address. And today I finally understood how it works. So let me break it down in a simple way.
I'm Jonathan, and every day I document what I'm learning in cybersecurity at least once or twice in a week. So today's topic is IP addresses, how they works, the difference between IP version 4 and IP version 6, and why they matter in the digital world we live in. What is an IP address? An IP address is just for Internet Protocol address. It's like the home address for your device on the internet. It tells other devices where to send data, just like a delivery address on a package. There are two versions you will hear about, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4, the old standard. IPv4 is the older and still most commonly used version. It looks like this: 192.168.0.1. That is four set of number, each between 0 and 255. It uses 32 bits, which gives us a total of around 4.3 billion unique IP addresses. That was okay back then, but with the billions of devices now online, it is no longer. IPv6, the future of the internet. That is where IPv6 comes in. It is much longer. For example, 2001 0db8 8583 0000 0000 8828 0370 7334. IPv6 uses 128 bits. That's crazy. Which gives us over 340 undecillion addresses. That is a 3 followed by 38 zeros. It also supports better security routing and doesn't require something called NAT, a method we've been using in IPv4 to share addresses among multiple. Quick comparison. Here is a quick side by side. IPv4 32 bits. It looks like 192.168.1 and point 1. Supports 4.3 billion addresses. Now IPv6 128 bits looks like 2001.
DB8 column 1 supports way more addresses, future proof. Now, why it matters? Every single device is connected to the internet, such as phones, laptops, smart TVs, even smart bulbs needs IP address. Learning how IP addresses work is the first step to understanding how data moves, how network communicates, and how hackers exploit vulnerabilities. So today I learned how to identify IP format, check my own IP address, and understand why IPv6 is taking over gradually. So you now know an IP address is like your online fingerprint. Yeah. IPv4 built the internet actually, but IPv6 is taking over gradually. You also learn cybersecurity as I am. Hit the subscribe button, drop a comment and a thumbs up so we grow together. Remember, one day, no concept, no rushing. Stay safe, stay secured, and stay what again? Catch you later. Stay curious, rather. Catch you later. Peace out. Okay, peace out.